These passengers thought they could get away with vaping on their cruise. They were wrong. Here's exactly what happened and why they're now banned from all cruise lines forever. This isn't just a wild story, it's real. In fact, over 1,000 passengers are kicked off cruise ships every year, often for mistakes they didn't even realize were that serious. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what gets you ejected from a cruise, how enforcement really works, and, most importantly, how to protect your vacation from turning into a nightmare. Trust me, you don't want to be that passenger. Let's start with what got our Carnival passenger in trouble: vaping. Most people think vaping is different from smoking on cruise ships. It's not. Carnival. You can only smoke or vape in clearly marked outdoor areas, usually specific spots on Deck 3. If you vape in your cabin or on your balcony, you're hit with a $250 fine minimum. Vape in a club or anywhere inside? That's grounds for immediate ejection. Royal Caribbean. Slightly more lenient. You might get a warning the first time, but after that, it's a $250 fine and then you're gone. Norwegian. Zero tolerance. First offense in a non-smoking area, instant $250 fine. Repeat, you're off the ship. Cruise lines use security cameras everywhere. Staff are trained to sniff out both smoke and vape smells during room checks. If you break the rules, you will get caught. So, remember, on a cruise, vaping is treated exactly like smoking, no exceptions. But vaping is just the tip of the iceberg. Here are other ways passengers get themselves kicked off cruises, sometimes before they even realize what happened. Alcohol violations. Sneaking alcohol on board is huge. People try to hide vodka in mouthwash bottles or wine in shampoo containers. Security will find it. If you're caught multiple times or with a large stash, you're gone. Underage drinking? That's an automatic ejection. Public intoxication that requires security? Same deal. Drug incidents. Any illegal substances, including CBD and marijuana, even if they're legal at home, are strictly banned. Zero tolerance. Get caught, and you might face criminal charges at the next port. Physical altercations, fights, threats, harassment, these get you ejected immediately. I've seen passengers removed for just verbal threats. Cruise lines don't mess around with safety. Balcony misconduct. Throwing anything off your balcony, cigarette butts, bottles, even food, is grounds for ejection. Climbing on railings, instant removal. Even repeated noise complaints can get you booted. Dress code violations. Usually this won't get you kicked off immediately, but repeated violations can escalate. Main dining rooms have strict dress codes. Ignore them enough times, and you'll face progressive discipline. Tech misuse. Unauthorized drone use, inappropriate photography, or using gadgets to disturb other passengers. Your drone gets confiscated, and you might be banned from ship activities, or removed entirely. So, what actually happens when you break these rules? Here's the real process. The investigation. Security investigates. They review camera footage, interview witnesses, and document everything. This is a formal process. There's paperwork and reports. Confinement. For serious violations, you might be braced, confined to your cabin with a guard posted outside. That's basically cruise ship house arrest. Disembarkation. When they decide to remove you, it happens at the next port, no matter where it is. You're off the ship with your luggage, and you're on your own to get home. Financial consequences. You lose your cruise fare, no refund. You pay for your flights home, which can cost thousands if you're far from home. Plus, you could face fines up to $5,000, and some offenses result in lifetime bans from all ships in that cruise line family. Alright, here's how to cruise smart and avoid becoming a horror story. Before you sail, read all the rules for your specific cruise line. Every company is different. Download the cruise's official app. They often send real-time policy updates. Double-check your packing list against their prohibited items list. When in doubt, leave it out. If you're accused, stay calm. Ask for written details and evidence. Request to speak with guest services or a supervisor. Document everything. Dates, times, names, what was said. Take photos if appropriate. Reporting others. Use official channels, the ship's app or guest services. Never confront other passengers directly. Let security handle it. Emergency planning. Have travel insurance that covers early disembarkation. Keep emergency contacts and embassy info handy. Remember, maritime law is different from regular law. The captain has almost absolute authority. Cruising should be fun and relaxing. These rules exist for everyone's safety. Follow them, respect other passengers, and you'll have an amazing time. If this video helped you understand cruise ship rules better, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I've got tons more travel tips and cruise advice coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.